Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and let's post-groom a carpet. Feel it? Oh, just very slightly damp. Yeah. All right. Exactly the way it should be, actually. So let's turn on the vacuum. This carpet looks really, really good. All the dinginess, spots and stains are gone. It's really puffing. There was some real black staining around that vent cover, and it's gone. Came out with the first pass with the Rubbermaid pad. There was a bunch of little spots right here, a handful of them, and they're totally gone. They came out almost instantly when I ran over with the pad. Practically just a new carpet in here. Definitely don't have to replace this one. Okay, let's go over here. I did under there with the doodle bug as well. This, of course, is a nylon carpet. You know, nylon carpets, you can get 25 years out of them, no problem, as long as they're taken care of. But these new polyesters, they won't be around for 25 years. Not that I actually care. I'm pretty sure I won't be around for these carpet cleaning for 25 years. I hope not. Good grief. I'll be 70 in less than 10 years. That's crazy. Well, my dad was in his 70s and was still cleaning carpets. Although he had some issues with his knees and stuff like that, but so far I haven't had any issues like that. But you know, you never know what tomorrow brings. I always figured that if I was able to, you know, physically able to do the work, even if I wanted and could retire, probably I wouldn't stop carpet cleaning as long as I was able to get out there and, you know, do maybe a couple jobs a day or something, just to, you know, just for something to do, I guess, hobby. I mean, I actually like doing it, so that helps. Some guys have hobbies of, you know, working on an old car, which I wouldn't mind doing that, but I don't have the tools and I don't really have the knowledge to do a lot of things, but I can clean carpets, so I like doing it. At least I like doing it this way. I've done it every way there is, by the way. For those of you guys who don't know it, I literally cleaned with every method there is. And I like this method the best by far. It's much more enjoyable. It's, man, I can't imagine I would be doing this if I was using a truck mount. There's no way. That's way too hard. Just even pulling the hoses is crazy. Pushing a wand back and forth, well, I wouldn't have been doing that. I would have had to switch over to a RX-20 or something like that anyway. But and the cost involved, it's just crazy. I mean, I literally, you know, I fill up my van about, well, once a week normally, and I'm putting like $40 or $50 worth of gas in a week. Seriously. I usually fill it up on Friday at the end of the day, so I have it ready to go for the following week. And it's nowhere near, it's never empty. It's down, maybe down 3/4 or whatever. Yeah, it's usually around $40 or $50 is all I'm putting into it every week. It's 25 miles per gallon. It's got it, you know, on the thing on the dashboard. It tells you what the mileage it's getting, and it never wavers from 25 miles per gallon. And I'm in the city. I'm rarely out on the highway with it. Most of my work is right in Kelowna, and only, you know, maybe once a week or so I drive over to West Kelowna, which then I'm actually on the highway for 20 minutes or whatever. Okay, you can see that, I don't know if you can see that line there. That's actually a pooling and shading wear line going on there. That's not dirt, that's actual wear. And you can see a line. You can see it coming over here. That's just the wear on the carpet fiber. I can't fix that. Just replace the carpet to fix that. Yeah, we've at the main supplier of carpet cleaning product here in town. A couple of weeks ago, and the repairman was repairing a slide-in unit. I think it was a Sapphire Scientific or something like that. And he was telling me that he had to run it for an hour and a half, and he had a 3-gallon container. And in an hour and a half, it went through 3 gallons of gas. And what are we at? $1.80, I think, around that, a liter here in Canada, where we are. That's just not a way to run your business when you're having to go and work all day long just so you can put gas in your vehicle. That's just getting pretty ridiculous. There's a real significant wear happening right here too. So it doesn't take me very long to do the post grooming, as you can see. About almost 12 minutes here. Which isn't very long, you know. If I used a rake or whatever, yes, it would take me less time. But it wouldn't take me dramatically less time. Would it take me 5 minutes? Maybe a bit longer. But what I'm doing right now is I'm actually doing another extraction on the carpet, pulling out a little bit more loose fibers, etc. And I actually physically find this easier to do than pushing a rake. And when you get a little older, you begin to realize that that's important. Okay, I'm done. A couple of details I wanted to just address, but other than that, I'm done. So, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day.